I am here to explain in detail about how to create a website using HTML and CSS in Netlify. So simply, I am entering a code in HTML and CSS with heading, title and body tag and all. All the essentials have been entered here in this HTML code. I have a basic code for creating a website with the name of it and the tags over here. I have linked the style.css along with the HTML. And the code here in the CSS contains the color of the website background, font size and style. Here as you see I have just two main codes, one with HTML and the other with CSS part, and I have saved both the files in Visual Studio Code under the folder named My Website. And now I am going to Google, then open netlify.com. Here as you see this is the one. Wait until it gets opened, then give sign up option in the right corner and wait for a while until it gets loaded. Then here we have options. You have to give sign up with GitHub over here. If you're not having a GitHub account of your own, firstly create a GitHub account for yourself, entering details of your own. Your account will be created in a while, and upload the code of yours into your GitHub repository. As you scroll down here, you'll see all of your repositories over. How many ever repositories created in your GitHub app is here. And as you scroll down, you'll see click an option as browse to upload over here. You just need to click it and upload your folder in My Files. Now, click onto it and wait till it gets opened, then open your folder and click on upload until it gets uploaded. This uploading might take a time. So now my folder has been uploaded, and here you will be having an option open production deploy. This option just means that our folder has been uploaded and ready to run. So now my folder has been uploaded successfully, and now I am opening my project, entering into it, and here I am selecting the green colored link to get into my website. So here this is my output as it shows hello world in a colored theme. Now that is obtained after the HTML and CSS code. So now I'll be showing how to change the project name from the old one to your choice. Scroll down, you have an option change project name. If you're not okay with the current project name, you can just change the project name. For that, click onto it and type a name of your choice. Only the available project names are selected and accepted. Here I am giving my project name as Microit Services 123. Once it is approved and selected, then I am again opening it and getting the same output. So that's it about Netlify. It is a very easy to use one for creating websites just by uploading your GitHub repositories. In short, you just need to save the code in Versus Code, upload in GitHub and open the repository in Netlify, browse and run. That's it for today. Thank you all.